Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside top handle Petrol chainsaw, the model PBBPS 700A1. Powerful and smooth running 2-stroke engine with 0.7 kW, power output 0.95 horsepower, max motor rotation speed with bar and chain 11,000 RPM, max chain speed 21 meter per second, with engine displacement 25.4 cubic centimeter, cutting length 20 centimeter, anti-kickback with a 3 years warranty. Accessories included. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Warm start, cold start, some information, attention, wear gloves, mask, ear protection. Wow, it is so small. It is petrol engine. (113 decibel the noise). Definitely you need to wear earplugs. So at the box we have the chain, the guide rail, the guide bar cover, the mixing container, oil and petrol, 1x40, I will show you later, and the spark plug wrench slotted screwdriver. Because it is an engine, it has a spark plug, obviously. It is perfect for tree care. Cut the branches wherever you want. Thicker or thinner branches, the maximum it is 20 centimeter. It is small, lightweight and flexible, with electronic ignition with pull starter, anti-vibration fittings, with durable and strong chain automatic lubrication, high quality materials. By the first look, of course I will test it. Here we have the front hand guard. Here it is the fuel pump primer, the throttle, the rear handle, very soft, and the throttle interlock. You need to press that and then the throttle. We have the start pull cord to start the engine. At the back we have the air filter cover and the lock screw. Just remove that and we can remove and the cover. There's the filter. If you want, you can replace the filter, clean it, whatever you want. There is the spark plug. Just pull that, and with a key, there's a key, you can remove the spark plug. Well, let's do that. There is the spark plug. And it is very easy to install again. With your hand and then tied it with this key. Okay, the connection, press, and that was all. Install the filter and the cover. Nice. Here it is the chain oil tank. It is empty. Most of the time included are the box and the oil. Maybe because the other chainsaw I have tested was with battery powered or with AC power. This works with petrol, so that's why they don't have. I will use my own oil. I will show you later how to install in that. Before using, of course, you need to insert the oil. We have the front handle here. Here it is the fuel tank. Unscrew that and insert the fuel. Nice. Later in that. Here it is the on-off button. Here we have the fixing nuts and the chain cover. Here we have the silencer and the suspension device. And of course here we have the cold start level, choke. I need to install the chain, so I need to remove these two screws. And then just remove the cover. There's the cover. And how it looks. So let's install the guide rail. We can see the icon that needs to be in front. And then we need to install the cover. There is the... okay. Now we have this screw for the tension. Let me show you. Unscrew that. And it's moving this area front or back. So that will fit at this hole. Perfect. But before fitting at this hole, we need to make the final adjustments. Install the two huge nuts. I think the chain is okay. Perfect. And this is the cover. And here you can have your key. So now we need oil and gasoline. Gasoline 500 ml and I need oil 15 ml, the maximum. So we need to mix the oil with the gasoline, 500 ml gasoline, and the oil. Rubber sealing here. Nice. I need to shake right now. That is enough. And now I need to insert the gasoline with the oil at the gasoline compartment. Just check, don't be confused. And here it says at the cap 140. That means you need 15 ml of oil. Better with that. Okay, I think we are at maximum, and after inserting you need to pump. There it is. So I thought this container, the capacity was 500 ml like this container, but it is 250 ml. Because that was a 500 ml, I thought was the same, and for the container at the chainsaw. Now seal it very well. It has a silicone rubber around, tied it, and we can see here. Nice. So now we need oil. You can insert 100 ml oil. So let's test it, see how it works. Remove the cover, pull the lever. This is the stop and off. If you pull the stop at the front, it will stop. And again back. And off with the on-off button. It is small but yet so powerful. It can cut a 15 to 20 cm thick wood without any problem, and so fast. The engine most of the time it turns on with the first time, is lightweight and you can work more easy. It is portable, it works with gasoline. so you can have it anywhere, at your garden or in an area without electricity. The cost is 75 euros. I think the price is very good. It is a chainsaw with engine. So my viewers, until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.